Watch how I use the pencil to draw on the dotted line.
Zig, zig, zig.
Okay, now you try it.
Hey, that looks like Flash.
It looks like Flash?
Yeah, because see speed.
But yeah, you're right. Draw on the dotted line. I'm about to be embarrassed. Wonderful, Braden. Let's see. Now try this one. Okay, can you try this one?
Well, this one looks kind of fun.
It does, but it's just like this one, remember? It's the same thing, just littler lines. You're gonna have to figure out how to square these.
Yes, it looks like.
Wonderful, Braden.
Let's see. Where's the cutting one?
Okay.
Is that it?